Beautiful name you have, Sakshi. And that essentially is the difference between the person and the individual. The individual has Sakshi Bhav, the person doesn't have it. Let's look at it clearly. There are so many things happening on the outside, right? There is nobody here, not you, not your teacher, not me, who has external situations under his or her control. Getting it? External situations are always random, always chaotic. No one can predict or determine the ways of the world. Getting it? No one can predict or determine the ways of the world. But your response to what is happening outside can be of two types. One, it is tumultuous outside and I become tumultuous on the inside. There is a great disturbance on the outside and I become disturbed on the inside. This is one kind of living. This is called the life of the person. The person is always dependent upon others for his internal climate. If he is here, he may be a little peaceful. And that will be evident in the quality of his mind, in his countenance. Outside, the situation changes and the climate of his mind also changes. And that will be evident upon his face. A new mask would come up. Goes to home, again the situation changes and the quality of his mind, the climate here again changes. And another face comes up. This is the person. This is the person. Getting it? The person has no resistance. The person has nothing of his own. He is defenseless. He is like an old leaf that has dropped down from a tree at the mercy of the winds. The winds blow this way, he goes this way. The winds blow that way, he goes that way. Getting it? If the situations are scary, he becomes horrified in the mind. If the situations are all right, everybody else is laughing, he also starts laughing. He has nothing of his own. He is totally dependent upon the climate outside. Getting it? Getting it? This is personality. This is the person. This is the person. There is a second way of living. What is that? Seasons will come and go on the outside. Nothing will disturb the weather within. Getting it? There may be a great disturbance on the outside, still there would be a wonderful stillness on the inside. This is the individual. So who is the person who allows the external to affect him deeply? Yes? Who is the individual who does not allow the external to affect his inner calm? Only the individual has the power to respond. Only the individual has the power to respond to changing circumstances. Only the individual, because of his inner stillness, understands what is really going on. When there is stillness in the center, it becomes possible that there is great movement on the outside. Then it becomes possible. When there is a great stillness at the center, only then great movement becomes possible on the outside, on the circumference. Take these fans for example. It is only because the axle, the center, the axis is stable that the wings, the blades can freely rotate. And the more is the RPM that you desire from this fan, the more must be the strength of the axle to stay firm. What will happen to the fan if the axle also starts moving? What will happen? So those of you who want great movement on the outside must have great stillness within. This is called individuality. Those who want to be able to respond completely, adequately to the external situations must have a great firmness here, where nothing moves, nothing changes. And that nothing moving, nothing changing is also called by the name of Sakshi. Getting it? So just remember your name. Your name itself is individuality. Is this clear? The difference between personality and individuality. The person is a slave of circumstances. The individual is not. What would you like to be? What would you like to be? Individuality does not come cheap. You have to earn it. And your mind will say, no, it's scary. I don't want to be an individual. Because all your training, all your upbringing in the family, in the education has been so that you may don a personality. Now to become an individual, now to regain your individuality, better put, now to regain your individuality, a certain effort would surely be required. A certain effort would surely be required. It's your responsibility towards yourself to put in that effort. You can either put in that effort or escape from it. Run away like a coward. And it's so easy to become a coward. So easy to escape, so easy to put your head down. जिंदगी से आंखें चार करो, मुंह छुपा के नहीं जीते. न मुंह छुपा के जियो और न सर झुका के जियो. सीधे बैठो. Clear, Sakshi? Simple, absolutely simple. Yes.